Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I did a look on this look right here, just a nice cut crease. Yeah, so if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so my eyebrows have been done off camera already. I'm just going to go in and do my eyes now. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow Primer Potion Anti-Aging. I'm just going to put that all over my lids. I'm then just going to go in my finger and just blend this out. Then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm just going to carve under my brows and then prime my eyes for the eyeshadow. Then I'm just grabbing my concealer buffer brush from Zoeva and just buffing that in. And then I'm going to go in my beauty blender and just smoothen everything out. I'm going to grab my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Silky Beige and just set this for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn palette today, and first colour I'm taking is M.F.E.O. And I'm just going to be putting that in my crease and bringing it up. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Pukey, just putting that in the same spot to make it a little bit more intense. I'm then grabbing the colour Hunts and going in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with the colour Jacz, and just to darken the crease up a little bit. Can you also please excuse my hair? It is an actual disaster. I braided it yesterday. Well, attempted to braid it. I suck. And I slept in them. And I can't really bother to take them out, so. For the cut crease, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape again. And just starting to do it. I'm just going to pop it all over the lid. And I'm going to look up. I'm not too worried about it being too neat because I am going to go in with a glitter liner across the top. I'm just going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and just set that over the concealer. I'm then going to just grab my Too Faced glitter glue and put that all over where I put the concealer. I'm going to be going in with the new NYX Shimmer Down Pigment in the shade colour, whatever you call it, SPD02. So I'm just going to grab that on a different brush and pop that all over the glue. I'm just going to let that dry. I'm just going to go in and clean under my eye. Sharpen this up a little bit. Once that's done, I'm then going to be taking the Too Faced Glitter Pop Off Peeler Eyeliner in the shade Super Fun Night. Now that that's all dry, I'm going to just take some mascara and coat my lashes for some falsies. While I'm waiting for the glue on my lash band to get tacky, I'm just going to put the moisturizer primer on my face so it gets sticky. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Primer. I'm just going to put this all over. And then just rub that in. For lashes, I'm going in with the I don't know what they're called, but I know they're by Katy Perry. I'm just gonna pinch the lash band and my real lashes together. I'm then just going to go in with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I'm just going to pop this all over my face. Blend that all together. And for concealer, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape. Just gonna I'm just gonna take my beauty blender again and blend that out. Okay, and to set my whole face, I'm just going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder again. Just gonna press this all into my skin. I'm then going in with the colour Jacz again, just to put it under my lower lash line. And for my inner corner to highlight, I'm going in with the colour, what is this? Enlight. I'm just going to put this in here. And same for my brow bone, same colour. Just gonna my brow bone. To set my brows, I'm going in with the Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara by Maybelline in the shade Medium Brown. I'm just going to push my brows up. And then just going in with the same mascara, putting that on my lower lash line. And the mascara I'm using is by Napoleon Perdis Peep Show Madame Beyond. I have had this stuff for over a year and a half and it has not dried out. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the M.F.E.O hoola bronzer. Add some colour to my face. Put this right in my cheekbones. Just under my jawbone. And around my hairline. And then just, gross. Going in with the same bronzer, just down my nose. Just really lightly. So for blush, I'm going with the Zoeva Pink Spectrum Blush Palette. It just has 4 colours. And I'm going to take this one up here. I don't know what it's called. It says it's PKO 20. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that, brush it off and put a little bit on my cheeks. Just to clean up under where I put that bronzer, I'm just going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte and just go under here, sharpen it up a little bit. For highlighter, I'm going with the Ultimate Contour Palette by Napoleon Perdis. I'm just going to put a little bit of MAC Fix Plus on my brush to make it a little bit more intense. It's just like a really nice pink champagne-y colour. And then I'm just going in. This stuff is amazing. I love it. I do like a lot of highlighter. A lot. And for lips, I'm going with the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Wifey. I'm just going to do this like that. And just to set my face, I'm going with the Australis Makeup Finishing Spritz Spray. Jesus. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. That's cool. Okay guys, so that is it for today's look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please excuse my hair. I don't know what, I took it out of its plaits and this is what happened.